Question 8. What should be the value of z used in a 93 confidence level? Okay, now I can't come to this table and look for our z value because I have a confidence level of 90 and then it jumps to 95. So the confidence or the z value for a 90 would be 1.645 and the z value for 95 would be 1.96. Now we're looking for a confidence level of 93, so I know that our z value should be somewhere between these two numbers, but let me show you how to figure it out for yourself. Okay, the confidence level always goes in the middle of a normal distribution. Okay, so I'm going to put that 0.93 right in the middle. Now I need to find the value on either side here. Okay, so this side together with this side, I'm going to call that area alpha. Now I know that the area of the entire normal distribution is equal to 1, and I'm just trying to take out the confidence level, this right here in the middle, so I am left with either side. So what I'm going to do is 1 minus my confidence level, and that's going to give me 0.07. Okay, now I'm trying to find a z-score. In order to do that, we're going to have to go to the z-score table, and it's going to give me all the area from the z-score to the left. So I need my confidence level, and I also need this number right here. So this alpha is both sides, so this side and this side. So what I'm going to do to get just one side is half it, since they are equal. 0.07 divided by 2, and that's going to give me 0.035. Okay, so on both sides, 0.035. Okay, so all I need to do is add this confidence level along with this alpha over 2 area over here. So I have 0.93 plus 0.035, and that gives me 0.965. Okay, so that is an area. So now I need to go to my z-score table to find my z-score associated with an area of 0.965. Okay, so I'm going to look in the middle of this graph because the numbers in the middle represent area. The numbers at the top and this section right here, this column right here, those represent the z values. Okay, so I'm going to look in the middle here, and I'm going to try to find 0.965 or something really close to it. Okay, looks like this right here would be the closest one. I've got 0.9649. Okay, that is closer to what we're looking for than this answer right here or this answer right here. Okay, so the z-score associated with that area is 1.8, come up, 1, okay, 1.81, which that number is between the 1.645 and the 1.96. Okay, so the z-score that they are looking for is 1.81, and that will be your final answer.